AutoCAD Layers1. In AutoCAD, layers are an essential organizational tool used in computer-aided design (CAD) to manage and control the display of different elements within a drawing. They play a crucial role in maintaining clarity, organization, and ease of editing in complex designs. Let's delve into the concept, use, creation, and naming system for layers in AutoCAD. Concept of layers. Layers in AutoCAD are analogous to transparent sheets placed on top of each other, where each sheet contains specific graphical elements. These elements can include lines, shapes, text, dimensions, and other entities that make up a design. Layers enable you to control the visibility, color, line type, and other properties of these elements independently, facilitating efficient design management. Uses of layers. 1. Organizational structure. Layers allow you to logically group related elements. For instance, you can create layers for walls, doors, windows, and furniture in an architectural drawing. 2. Visibility control. Layers enable you to toggle the visibility of specific elements, making it easier to work on individual components without clutter. 3. Editing ease. By placing different elements on separate layers, you can easily modify or update specific parts of a design without affecting the rest. 4. Plotting and printing. Layers offer control over what elements appear in printouts and plots. You can choose to include or exclude certain layers based on your requirements. 5. Collaboration. When working with a team, layers help maintain consistency and clarity in the design, as each member can work on their designated layers. Creation of layers. To create a new layer in AutoCAD, follow these steps. 1. Layer Properties Manager. Type LA in the command line or use the Layer Properties Manager button on the Home tab. 2. Create New Layer. In the Layer Properties Manager, click on the New Layer button icon with a sheet of paper and a green plus sign. 3. Name and settings. Give your layer a meaningful name related to its content, e.g., walls, doors, etc. Set properties such as color, line type, line weight, and transparency for the new layer. 4. Assign objects. Specify whether the new layer will be the current layer, where new objects are placed by default, or select existing objects and move them to the new layer. 5. OK. Click OK to create the new layer with the defined settings. Naming system for layers. A systematic naming convention for layers promotes clarity and consistency in design files. Consider using a combination of abbreviations and descriptive terms to denote the purpose and content of each layer. For instance, A. Walls, for architectural walls, A. Doors, for architectural doors, A. Windows, for architectural windows, S. Furniture, for structural furniture. Ensure that the naming system is logical, easy to understand, and adhered to by all team members to maintain uniformity and ease of collaboration. In an academic environment, understanding and effectively utilizing layers in AutoCAD can significantly enhance the quality and efficiency of architectural and building design projects. It's important to emphasize the role of layers in maintaining an organized and visually clear representation of complex designs, making them a valuable skill for students pursuing studies in architecture and building design. Thanks for watching. Visit us at www.najdub.com.